Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing 3 different types of slime. So yeah, and if you see my hair different because I took it out and yeah, out of the braids. And it's kind of dark here because the lighting here is not good, so let's get to it. Sorry about the noise if you can hear it. First the first one is glue and salt. I'll get that. So yeah, there's a lot of noise. And I got the salt and glue. There's glue inside this container. Oh, I don't know why this is here. And then I got a thing to mix in. So let's get to this. Oh, I forgot that candle holding my thing. And I'm gonna open the glue. It's very liquidy, so gotta add a lot of salt on top. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see. So I'm going to look up closely. And it's really dark in this lighting. So, yeah. This is how it looks. Very liquidy. And I'm going to add some salt. I'll be done when I put all the salt in. So I add this much salt. And if you say, oh my gosh, why she has so much salt? It's because this is how it makes it work. So I'm going to mix it. Right now, I'm going to be mixing it. Okay, it's kind of working. It's like forming. So, yeah, be back when I'm done. So this is how it looks right now. Right now.
What we're doing? We're saying.
Wait. He wants to try it, so I'm going to pause and make him try it. Okay, sorry. He is trying to mix it together. So, yeah. So, now I'm going to be kneading it, and it's very salty, so, yeah. He's checking it. So, this is how it looking like. Okay. Oh, there's a little, it's very salty. Look at this, not stretchy at all. My sister, she made one of these and she added lotion and it was not good, so I'm not going to do that. So yeah, let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, the other one I made was a fail, so the second one is dish one. He's copying me. The second one is dish soap and salt, so I'm going to get that. Okay, so... oh my god. So I got the dish soap. It's Ajax, whatever. Okay, wait. So I'm going to pause this and get the salt. Wait, it's right here. But I'm going to go get my pencil because it fell. Okay. Kind of salty in here. So I'm clean up. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go get a container. I'm going to add my stuff. I hope this one is not a fail because the other one was a fail. Wait, I'm gonna add the thing. It's not opening. Okay, there we go. It smells like oranges. Okay, it looks like clear glue, so this might be clear if it works. So now I'm gonna mix it a little bit because it has bubbles. I'm gonna mix it. Okay, he wants to mix it. So right now we're mixing the dish soap. I'm going to put the dish soap back and add the salt. So, yeah. I just realized that there's a hair in my slime. So now I'm going to add the salt. Make it rain. Make it rain. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit. And so, yeah. So now I'm going to go and start mixing it. So, yeah. Okay, I'm mixing it right now. And if you didn't know, my baby brother's helping me because he wanted to. Right, Matthew? He's nodding. Okay, it doesn't really look clear anymore. It looks foggy because I add the salt. And whatever. Keep mixing it. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the freezer for some minutes with the top on. So, yeah. And then when I put this in the freezer, I'm going to clean this up and then do the next DIY after I'm done with the freezer. So, yeah. So right now, we're putting this in the freezer. Okay. Let me open the light. There's something on me. I'm gonna put it right over. Okay, right over. It's right here. This is my sister's slime where she add the thing I put in, the first one I did in the lotion, and I don't know if it's working. So yeah, let's go and clean up my mess. Okay, I'll be right back. So right now I'm just cleaning up the mess so I can do the next one. Oops. Okay, Natyra, I'm not wearing shoes. Oh my gosh, there's insects in the night. It's nighttime, and she's making me go outside to just get the trash. Insects. Help me. I did a video of you. Okay, I took it out the freezer. I don't know how much minute was that, but it's this. I'm gonna mix it with this big old fat Sharpie. So yeah. Okay, let's mix this up. Wait. Okay. Well, there's a lot. Okay. My slime is like falling. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for the whole entire video, and then the last thing, I'll put this in the freezer. And yeah. So let's go on to the next one. The next one is edible. So yeah, that would be the best one, edible. Don't worry about the noise. I don't know what is that. And how to make the edible slime? You'll be needing pushy and flour. So let's get to that. So now I add this. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna add the flour, so I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna mix it. So this is how it looks like, and this is my hand. I'm kneading it, and it's edible. I ate it.